This is International Relation MCQ series. This video series will help you prepare the MCQs portion of any exam regarding the subjects of international relation. In this video, we will discuss the 30 MCQs regarding the approaches to peace in international relation. So first MCQ is: which article gave power to the General Assembly to consider and approve the budget of the organization? Options are Article 15, Article 16, Article 17, Article 18. So correct answer is Article 17. Article 17 of the UN gave power to the General Assembly to consider and approve the budget of the organization. So Article 17 is right answer here. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? Options are President Legislature, President Agreement, President Jurist, President Judge. So fourth is correct answer here, which is President Judge. The trial of Slobodan Milosevic in The Hague is most important because it represents. Options are the difficulty of amassing evidence in international tribunals, the application of standards of international law directly to one individual, state sovereignty's preeminence as a defense in international law, the Western bias of international law. So the correct answer here is the application of standards of international law directly to one individual. Therefore, the trial of Slobodan Milosevic in The Hague was an important. Second is the right option here. Southwest African People Organization SWAPO has been recognized by the number of states as the sole representative of its country. Options are unlawful, lawful, temporary, questionable. Right answer is lawful. So this organization, which is Southwest African People Organization, is considered as the lawful representative of the country. According to the declaratory theory of jurisprudence, the judges only declare the law and they do not make any law. The supporters of this theory were: options are Bacon and Dicey, Gray and Salmon, Koch and Blackstone, Dugard and Pound. Right answer is Koch and Blackstone. So according to the declaratory theory of the jurisprudence, the judges only declare the law and they do not make any law. So the Koch and Blackstone were the supporter of this declaratory theory. The newly established International Criminal Court has jurisdiction over. Options are illegal international financial transaction, genocide and other systematic crimes carried out as official policy during war, national courts dealing with international cases, human rights abuses occurring within a country in the world. So the correct answer here is second is the right answer, which is genocide and the other systematic crimes carried out as an official policy during wars. Okay, so this is where the International Criminal Court has its jurisdiction. International Court of Justice is located in. Options are Paris, Geneva, Hague, London. Third is the right option, which is Hague, and it is quite easy MCQ. According to the jurist of analytical school, options are custom never becomes law. Custom is a law from the very inception of it. Custom becomes law after its recognition by the sovereign. Customs are only positive morality even after recognition. So according to the jurist of analytical school, custom becomes law after its recognition by the sovereign. So third is right answer here. The ultimate goal of interpretation is to find out ways and means of most fully realizing the treaty provision of the dash of contracting parties and international corporation as a whole. Options are determinants, violation, benefit, equality. So the right answer here is benefit. It means that the treaty provision for the benefit of contracting parties and international corporation as a whole. Okay, this is what the purpose of interpretation. Third is right answer here. While the concept of cultural relativism may be viewed as an accommodation to subtleties that exist between cultures, others criticize it because it implies an ironic cultural hegemony. It belies a latent social Darwinism. It can be used as a cover for heinous behavior, and it is too static. So third is the right answer here, which is it can be used as a cover for heinous behavior. Okay, third is the right answer here. The importance of custom over other sources of law was stressed by the jurists of the options are analytical school, historical school, natural law school, none of these. So second is the right answer, which is historical school. The importance of custom over other sources was stressed by the jurist of historical school. The controversy was settled and the legal source of international law were authoritatively laid down for the first time in options are the Covenant of the League of Nations, the Paris Peace Pact, the Statute of the ICJ, the Statute of the Permanent Court of International Justice. So fourth is the correct answer here, which is the Statute of the Permanent Court of International Justice. Certain rules regarding the treatment of prisoners of war, use of permissible weapons, and the methods of combat are known as options are Kyoto Protocol, the Camp David Accord, the Interpol, the Geneva Convention. So the right answer here is the Geneva Convention. It is the Geneva Convention, which is also known as the Law of War. It is where the treatment of prisoners of war, the use of permissible weapons, and the other methods of combat were decided. Who among the following divided these sources of law into the formal sources and material sources? Options are Allen, Keaton, Gray, Salmon. Fourth is the correct answer, which is Salmon. Some treaties have options are long usage, recognized customary rule, and exists continuous use from time immemorial. So third is the correct answer, which is annexes. Some treaties have annexes. Consider the following statement. The law is merely the product of the result of societal decision about right and wrong. The preceding statement is an example of options are Grotian legal theory, postmodernist school of law, theological school of law, naturalist school of law. Second is the correct answer, which is postmodernist school of law. The statement that the law is merely the product of a result of societal decisions about right and wrong is basically tells about the postmodernist school of law. In the modern state, the best code of law is options are convention, custom, legislation, precedents. Third is the right answer, which is legislation, which is not a source of international law. Options are conventions, international customs and norms, treaties, constitution. Fourth is the right answer, which is constitution. It is not a source of international law. According to the theory of social utilitarianism as propounded by Inhering, options are greatest number of people should get greatest pleasure. The essential body of legal rule is always based upon the social facts of law. A balance is to be struck between the competing interests in society. Law is a means to social end. So fourth is the right answer here, which is law is a means to social ends. According to the theory of social utilitarianism, law is a means to social ends. The League of Nations was dissolved in options are April 1945, April 1946, December 1945, December 1946. Second is the correct answer, which is April 1946. League of Nations was dissolved in April 1946. All of the following have added to the expansion of international law except options are expanding consequences and victims of war, increasing environmental degradation, growing awareness of human rights issues, spread of nationalism. So the right answer here is spread of nationalism. The question was about that all of the options have added to the expansion of international law except, it means that which one option has not added in the expansion of international law. So spread of nationalism is the right answer here. The United Nations came into existence on which of the following dates? Options are 24th September 1945, 24th October 1945, 24th November 1945, 24th December 1945. Second is the correct answer, which is 24th October 1945. The United Nations came into existence on 24 October 1945. The qualification of statehood is provided in which of the following? Options are the Hague Convention of 1899, the Hague Convention of 1907, Covenant of the League of Nations, Montevideo Convention on the Rights and Duties of State. So the right answer here is the Covenant of the League of Nations. The qualification of statehood is provided in the Covenant of the League of Nations. How many sources of international law were enlisted in Article 38 of the Statute of the Permanent Court of International Justice? And Article 38 is very important from the exam point of view, so must read it. Options are 1, 2, 3, 4. So correct answer here is 3. There are total 3 sources of international law are mentioned in the Article 38. The UN General Assembly adopted a declaration of territorial asylum on December 14, which year? Options are 1964, 1965, 1966, 1967. So the right answer is 1967. The UN General Assembly adopted a declaration of territorial asylum on December 14, 1967. The original members of the UN has been provided in which of the articles of the Charter? Options are Article 2, Article 3, Article 4, Article 5. The right answer is Article 4. That original number of UN are provided in Article 4 of the UN Charter. It is important MCQ. In 1983, which conference took place in Vienna on the question of succession of states in respect of state property, state archives and state debts? Options are United Nations, European, Vienna and ICJ. So the correct answer is United Nations. In the UN conference which took place in Vienna on the question of succession of it was a conference. It was a UN conference in Vienna which took place on the question of succession of states and in respect of their state property, state archives and state debts, and it is important MCQ. And it can be asked in another way that in which year this conference had happened. So it is in 1983. Okay, this 1983. Under which treaty International Monetary Fund was established? Options are Treaty of Paris, the Articles of Agreement, Treaties of Versailles, none of these. Second is the right answer, which is Articles of Agreement. Okay, it was the treaty which is Articles of Agreement during which the International Monetary Fund was established. Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space, a subsidiary agency of the UN General Assembly, was established in. Options are 1962, 1961, 1960, 1959. So fourth is the right answer here, which is 1959. This committee was formed in 1959. Treaties corresponding to the UN Charter and the basic principles of international law are regarded as. Options are unlawful, void, lawful and voidable. Third is the correct answer, which is lawful. Treaties corresponding to the UN Charter and the basic principles of international law are regarded as lawful. So these are 5 questions to test yourself. You can just pause the video here and solve these questions and tell me in a comment section that how this video series are actually helping you guys. See you in next video.